Yeah, man, say yes, car quitted at the airport. Who that? Do it! Grand Royal, we shall have a grand time in Grand Cayman. But ladies and gentlemen, you lot need to go and get your ticket, please and thanks. At famous restaurant, 1201. Say yes, Castle bless. The Royal couple is coming. We're coming.
Keep it moving.
Grand Cayman, it's a grand final. We're coming. But tell them about the ticket now.
You may say them on all who no grab them ticket all now. You may say Reflection Car Park, you know the thing comes down.
1201 famous restaurant. Go and get your ticket, ladies and gentlemen.
The British Airways, you know, so look out for it. Yes.
It's a Grand Royal to Grand Cayman. We shall have a grand time in Grand Cayman. Say yes, no man, can we bless girl power. And it's a double tap. Queenie is coming.
Connect money that I will fully book man, see they know job.
Book, I will come look for me, okay? Mwah! Grand Cayman, I'm coming and Jane.
Rebel speaks for Pretty and says y'all should leave her alone about the bacon situation.
I give y'all a break. I want to see much depression I kill people. I want to ease up none at all. If you like, could not kill me, I'm a friend them. Me rather not come on this. Me say, when people are trying to live in a secret, then just take one shovel and just a dick so. Allow the people them alone, man. Give people them a break, man. Me say 14-year-old a bully me get, if not more, from Comatone. We not done. Popular or not. We not known for ease up. Done, man. We don't want a young jelly for clean up on a art monkey. We not done. A years. And then when we come out for this alive, you know cut out, you don't want cut out. I want to fling this and fling that, on a run it. Me say me never soon take up on a honey now on a foot so. I run. When I be things the girl them accomplish. Wanna not do it. Wanna mix up side them not post them. Unless people pressure them wanna not do it. Tired out now. Wanna want a young jelly man. Get a young jelly for a monkey art. Get a young jelly for a monkey art and a bitter. Wanna not done. Wanna not finish up. I mean my friend them not kill yourself now. Wanna not done. Wanna not done. That's why I'm rather stay in my house, do me work, and don't come by social media because I'm too runny. No matter how people try to live good, we don't know. You know how many girls kill themselves? No. Wanna pressure people, you're supposed to deal with it because you're popular. Move your blood clot. Move. Show me a popular, I'm not a skin. All of a sudden, show me popular, I'm make up a concrete. Show me popular. I'm not an art, I can't feel. All of a sudden, blood stop run, I'm not a feelings. All of a sudden, just get used to it and deal with no bitterness. Move your blood clot. I'm coming for the girl. Get the girl in my break, man. Got some time without talking about the girl, man. Get the girl in my break. Clot. Get the girl in my break, man. Get her in my break. Only can't take it and send anyone who want to take it. I take it when I want to take it. Get the girl in my break. Can't all you know leave this girl don't fall and you can't do it. It never happen, man. Get the girl in my break. Your PTR a break. Get on the body somewhere.
What's going on? Come on, what?